Hi, this is Matthew from Apple Certified Mac Specialist channel. Today we're going to speak about CleanMyMac. I've already got it open. Working with Apple now for 30 years, if I could recommend a third-party application to manage your system, to clean your system, to also monitor your system, CleanMyMac in my books, top of the pops. It is fantastic for what it does. It's very simple, very easy. Once you've opened it, you can just hit the scan button. Specifically for SSDs, it does purge your SSD because SSD tend to hold some, let's say, residual space back, and this basically resolves that. So also when you're trying to update your system and you have that, that you can't explain where the space has gone, this will purge that space for you. So again, if I had to recommend in any application, I would most certainly CleanMyMac. I'm also a beta tester for CleanMyMac. So this particular application, like I said, 30 years in the industry, I would not recommend any other application but this one. It is fantastic, easy to use. It does what it says it does, and actually rectifies what it does. So again, a fantastic application. I'm just showing you, and I'll go through the side menu bars of exactly what it does, because most of them, for example, they won't have malware removal, for example. They only do just system preferences or clean up something here as well, or they just do the minimalistic things, where CleanMyMac covers every basis and recovers everything for you, and all that you basically would require. As you can see here, it's still busy going through this, but it's very quick. If I had to do this, again, if I can make any suggestion, I run CleanMyMac at least once a day, first thing in the morning, so that I know that my system is at optimum working potential. And also it's cleared all the caches from your Safari, for example. It's gone through the maintenance checks and also done, like you see here, it's protection, where it's looking for any malware that may have creeped in while you were searching or going through some of your Safari websites. The speed, again, here you will see it'll quickly just knock out some, remove some, and just recover some RAM for you at the same time as well, which is fantastic. So in general, again, like I said, fantastic. And if I had to put a must-have app for any Apple person, on whether you're using your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or iMac, I would highly, highly recommend this. Again, it's very inexpensive. It's not like it's, for example, thousands of rands per month. It's a very cheap subscription. So again, I would go for it. I'm just going to stop this. And you can see, okay, not applicable there, for example. My system junk, I can go through mail attachments. If there were any, it would have removed it. If you can see, I'm just busy going through this now. You can see it cleans it pretty quickly. Privacy, like I said, it'll go through the privacy scans with your Safari, and it'll remove everything. Now you can see what I can do here and how many websites Safari has gone through today, for example, and it'll remove all those bad cookies that you may have come across, and so forth and so on. Again, I would always recommend that you do this, even if you have to re-log into specific applications like your banking, like your Google accounts or your Apple ID, for example, because it'll stop people from, if I say, spoofing you at the same time and trying to get into your networks as well as your system. So a good advice is just always do this. Optimization, you can optimize, you can view all the optimization elements that you can do, what's enabled. Maintenance, okay, here we go. I always check, for example, always repair, just repair permissions. If I have, for example, sometimes if Time Machine does give a problem, then I do verify and repair, and also do Time Machine, as well as verify the Time Machine and repair the Time Machine at the same time. So there we go. Uninstall, which is, again, there's always it has all of the features that you would want to have in an application. Normally you would have to purchase a separate application for uninstaller, but this already has the updater. Same thing, you can update automatically from here. Your extensions, space lens, you can see what space is available on all particular running hard drives. Larger or odd files you can go through, and then you can see what you don't want and basically manage and clean your system. And it's always a good idea to go through. Shredder, Well, I think this says exactly that. It basically will remove and give a high security level when deleting your particular files or folders, as a matter of fact. So again, if I had to come back to CleanMyMac, like I said before, and I'll repeat it, get this application. For any Apple user, it's a must. Please, guys, if you like and enjoy what I do, just subscribe below and get notified with the next one. So hope to see you soon. Ciao for now.